Hello everybody, welcome to Natural Beauty Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY hair conditioner using banana and avocado. This hair conditioner, it's good in that banana helps to keep the hair and scalp shiny and soft, and while avocado helps to keep the scalp healthy, and also hair follicle, it makes it strong and soft. It will be able to be able to comb it properly. It's just going to make your hair more better. I mean, as you all know, the function of a conditioner is to condition your hair and make it manageable. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do in this DIY. So get ready. Yeah, what I'm going to use. As always, I'm going to explain to you what I'm going to do, then I'm going to go to the demonstration part. We're going to use banana extract powder. Keep in mind, I'm not using just regular banana powder, but I'm using concentrated banana extract powder. This is going to really help us. Okay, so what you would do is look in the description box below for where to get everything I used today. Weigh 2 grams of banana fruit extract, okay, and weigh 200 grams of warm water. Do not boil the water. Make sure the water is warm, and make sure you use distilled water. So 200 grams of warm distilled water, 2 grams of banana powder, extract powder, and 20 grams of avocado oil. Make sure you go for the cosmetic grade. Do not go for food grade. Okay, a lot of people are doing DIY with food grade oil. No, do not. This is a wrong step to take. So before I go further, click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next great DIY video. I hope you enjoyed this DIY air conditioner as well as I do. So stay tuned for the demonstration part. I'm going to see me do it. Look in the description box below also for everything I use. Please watch this video in full to see the exact amount that I use and the process I use. I also have explanation also in form of screen text. Okay, so make sure you enjoy this and make sure you use it often. Don't bother preserving it because we're doing this as DIY. It's better made for use. Okay, do not bother preserving it because it would not really work well if you had a preservative to it. Okay, thanks so much for watching. So let's go to the demonstration part.